This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This is emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
What? EAS?
Yes? I hear on Mom's TV.
Okay, what channel number? This is 25. What channel number do you want?
36.
Can you check?
Did you open up the briefcase? And you take out every single...
Okay. Right there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes?
Because you saw around what, 67?
Yes? This is a weekly test.
The emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.